After months of slow progress, Jason made a bold decision. He quit his job, cashed in his 401k, and decided to go all in on restoring our Grand Banks 32. To celebrate, I brought some fancy dishes on board and treated ourselves to a little escape in the midst of all this chaos. But it wasn't all celebration. The mold problem only seemed to be getting worse. Every time we spent a few hours on the boat, we ended up sick. Headaches, congestion, and just feeling awful. My boat is toxic. And it's making me sick. Like, very sick. So far, everything we've done just never seems to be enough. I have tried everything, bleach, vinegar, and so we have decided to get an air purifier. We are back at the boat. We have not been here in a week or two, maybe. We finally got around to cleaning out the V-berth, and Jason pulled down the liner, and it ran us out of there. He pulled down the liner, and we went back a few days later, and we tried to tough it out, but he released some terrible mold spores in the air, and we have both been terribly sick since then. So today, tonight, in the truck, he's in there putting the air purifier in there before I go in there, because it's that bad. So we went and got an air purifier, and we're gonna run it in there, and hopefully it will catch those little boogers, and then we will have to go and clean everything all over again. The cushions are in there, so I'm gonna have to take them home and soak them in vinegar all over again. But it hadn't got me down. I'm still really excited about the boat. And we are at home sick for a week or two. So we've got an air purifier, and we've plugged it in. And then he's got a little more to clean out of the bilge before it freezes.
We're here trying to get some stuff done before it freezes. It's gonna get really, really cold. All right, we're here trying to get a few things done before the snow hits, and some 20-degree temperatures for a week, probably. Last minute decision, but we decided to go get this HEPA filter on and running in here, so the next time we do come up, we'll be able to breathe a little easier. And I want to get every drop out of the bells before it freezes so hard. So that's another thing. So I got to get busy.
Tell me the last time about the last time you were cleaning out the bilge.
Oh, let's do that.
About that and getting sick.
I got shit to do.
Okay.
Safety meeting.
Safety meeting. So I'm spraying off all the foam with vinegar, trying to kill the mold, and laying it in the sun. Still looks pretty bad. I might have to try some bleachy water. But they're definitely smelling a lot better. To keep making progress, even when we couldn't be on the boat, I started bringing projects home. The original cushions still had their markings. So I used vinegar and I let them bake in the sun. It has worked wonders and the smell is completely gone. Score. While we've been coming to the boat to clean, Jason has made a new friend, our neighbor Dave. The two of them hit it off right away. Between boat talk and borrowing tools, it's been a bit of normal in the midst of all this chaos. Despite it all, we keep pushing forward, and we have gone all in on the boat, and there's absolutely no turning back now. Y'all have a good one.